Hi everyone, a few weeks ago we went to Shangri-La London to celebrate Sharon's birthday, and as you can see we stay in room 4904. We got some really nice view in the room, so we thought we'll shoot a quick room tour to show you guys what's in the room. You could instantly see, the nice view of the city view, and the team is nice enough to give us some flowers and cake for Sharon. And of course what's in front of you is the Tower Bridge. So what you're seeing now is the typical bits and pieces like television and Nespresso machine, and of course the view, which is the Tower Bridge, and next to or the left of it is the Tower of London. And just as I pan to the left, you can see the City of London. We got really lucky with the weather. As you can see, it's really sunny. When you stay in Shangri-La, everything is clean and wrapped up well. That bottle of water is topped up every evening. And of course, if you do have to work for whatever reason, you have to face this view all the time, which I'm sure you won't complain. And as you can see on the window right now, they were nice enough to wish Sharon happy birthday. Next, we'll go to the bathroom. Of course, when you get views like this, you wouldn't want to waste it. So the bathtub is obviously, facing the Tower Bridge to allow you to dip in the water and soak up the view. And on the far end, you can see Canary Wharf buildings. Next, you have the Japanese style bidet toilet, and of course the typical shower. So that concludes our room tour. I've managed to shoot a nice time lapse, so enjoy. Bye.